And here's how to easily resize an image in Photoshop without losing the image quality. Open the image in your Photoshop, then go to image and click on image size. And here make sure to turn on this link option and check resample option. And here currently this image resolution size is width 39 inches and height 29 inches. So I'm just giving here only 8 inches width and height, giving only 6 inches, and clicking on OK. And we can see the image successfully image size successfully changed. Now go to file and click on save as, and then just go ahead and save your image. And here quality must select high. So if you select high in here, then you can easily resize the image without losing the image quality. So here we can see I've successfully changed this image size without losing quality.